My Ryobi 2-cycle gas string trimmer will not start. I've replaced the fuel with fresh gas/2-cycle oil mixture as prescribed by Ryobi. What is my next step?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Ryobi string trimmer? How old is it?
Not certain when the last service was performed, probably 2+ years. The trimmer is 5 to 7 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi string trimmer? What have you tried so far?
Just recently I've been unable to start the engine. Other than what I've described,
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I can think of.
Do you have spark? Does it have compression around 140 pounds per square inch? Will it fire if you put fuel directly into the spark plug hole?
I did have spark, but engine would not keep running. Not certain about compression. Have not tried putting fuel directly into SP hole.
I would replace the fuel lines before going any further.
Okay. Makes sense. THX for now.
Okay.
Fuel is not getting into the carburetor. If I introduce fuel into the carburetor manually, the engine starts. Where can I purchase replacement fuel lines? THX.
https://www.amazon.com/Ryobi AC04122 Primer Homelight Products/DP/B000-6E/ref equals ASC_DF_B000-6E/question tag equals HyProd20 and link code equals DF0 and FIDIT equals 16715149054 and FPOS equals and FNET equals G and FRAND equals 625 and FPON equals and FPO equals and HVQMT equals and HATIV equals C and HVDVCMDL equals and FLOSINT equals and FLOCV equals 9027438 and FTarget equals PLA 307810494439 and PSC equals 1.
Thank you. Very helpful.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.